All right, let's go over the pairs I'll be trading this week. This week, I'm recording this video on a Monday because I had work this weekend, but let's get into it. I have these 4 pairs that I'm interested in trading this week, so let's go over them. First, we have AUD USD. So AUD USD on the weekly, we are bearish. This is our lower high, and this is our lower low. On the daily time frame, we're also bearish. This is our lower high, and this is our lower low. And on the 4-hour, we are bullish. This is our higher low, and this is our higher high. But it doesn't matter since we have 2 time frames in SIC, being the daily and the weekly. And then we have our area of interest right here. So we have this beautiful area of interest on the daily. We have resistance, and then support, and so on. So what I want price to do is I want price to come into this area of interest, retesting EMA, retesting round psychological level 0.6300. Once price closes into this area of interest, retesting the EMA round psychological level, have a little nice wick rejection, tomorrow will close there, then I'll be interested in taking a trade. So if you look at it on the 4-hour, it would be a nice little pullback into this area around psychological level, EMA. To go to the downside, I'll look for a bearish engulfing on the 30-minute, 15-minute, or maybe even the hour. So that's my top trade setup for the week. Then we have Euro GBP. Euro GBP on the weekly time frame, we are bearish. We had just shifted structure. This is our lower high, and this is our lower low. On the daily, we are bullish. We have shifted structure. We're bearish, and then we shifted structure. This is our current higher high. This is our higher low. On the 4-hour, we are bullish. This is our higher low. This is our higher high. But in order for price to reach our area of interest, this will most likely shift, but it doesn't matter because we have the daily and weekly in sync. So if you look on the daily, we have this beautiful area of interest. So we have resistance, 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 support, resistance, and if we keep going, we'll see more. But we have more than 3 touches, so it's a valid area of interest. So what I'm waiting is for price to reach this level, close in here, and then take it to the upside and get my entry confirmation in this level. Then we have GBP USD on the weekly time frame. We have GBP USD on the weekly time frame. We are bullish. We were bearish, and then we shifted structure. This being our higher low, this being our current higher high. On the daily time frame, we are also bullish. This is our higher low. This is our higher high. On the 4-hour, we are bearish, but it doesn't matter since we have the daily and weekly in sync. So the 4-hour is bearish, but it doesn't matter since the daily and weekly are in sync. And the 4-hour simply just shifted structure and is going bearish to basically make the daily and the weekly play out. So on the daily, we have this beautiful area of interest. We have resistance, resistance, support, support, resistance, 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 and so on. So what I'm expecting price to do is come down into our area of interest, retest the structure over here, close in my area of interest, and then look for a shift of structure and then entry confirmation. We could also see price come all the way down to even this level right here to then have a push to the upside. Our last pair for the week is Euro JPY, and we are bullish. We had shifted structure. We were creating lower lows and lower highs, lower lows and lower highs, and then we just shifted this previous structure right here. So now we're bullish, this being our higher low and this being our higher high. On the daily time frame, we have also shifted structure, this being our higher high, this being our higher low. And on the daily time frame, we are currently bullish, It doesn't matter because we have the daily and weekly in sync either way, but it's just an extra added confluence that we are going up. So we have 3 time frames in sync. So what I'm waiting here is, right now we are under this support and resistance level. As you can see, we have resistance, support, 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 resistance, 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 support, support, and support. So it's a beautiful area of interest, very solid, more than 3 touches, very respectful. So what I want, we have this EMA right around here that is respecting price. If we simply close under the EMA tomorrow, I will not be interested. I will want the daily candlestick to close above. It could be right here, it could be even up here, and then on the next day, I'll wait for a wick retracement to this area of interest with my entry signal to then push price all the way up here. So yeah, those are my top 4 pairs for the week. Those are my setups. If I simply don't, I'm simply just waiting for my setups to form, and as soon as I see my setups forming and I have my entry signal, have everything off my checklist, off my trading plan, I'll simply just take the entry and I'll take the trade. If I don't, I simply just wait and wait for another opportunity, wait for next week. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Leave a like and comment any questions you guys have. Thank you. Peace.